Hello, thanks for joining me again. This is the environment description for my Wazuh-EDR Home Project. So we have several different VMs. We also have some host machines running on the network as well, but primarily these are all VMs. And more importantly, we have really kind of ranked or given some value to these different organizational assets. So we have some that are just regular host. We have some that are the systems for accounting and HR. We have a Win server that's going to be running some Active Directory and some file storage. The Raspberry Pi is a physical device, and there's two NICs running on there, one for the mirror port and one for regular SSH communications. We have a Kali Wazuh that's going to be on the network attacking. Again, not very realistic, but we're just really trying to generate logs here. And then we have some couple different web servers that we're going to be running, a Drupal web server, a web server that I use from one of my classes from CU Boulder's Cybersecurity Bootcamp. And then we're going to use a damn vulnerable web app. I mean, you can see these different webs. So we're looking at one of the hosts right now, and we can see that we have the Drupal web server, we have this other web server running, and then we have the DVWA web server. And we're going to use these in some different attacks, some brute force attacks, some exploits, things like that. And again, our goal is to see if we can pick up any logs. Some of these machines, some of these web servers do have an agent on them, and some of them do not. So that way we can use some different comparisons. So again, we have this environment running, trying to make it somewhat realistic so that we can generate some different logs here. Thanks for joining me.